In this video, I'll show you how to buy pre-IPO stocks on Webull and what you need to know. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To buy pre-IPO stocks on Webull, open the Webull app and log in to your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Markets tab. Once you're on the Markets page, scroll down until you see the IPO Center section. Tap on IPO Center. Then select the Available tab to view the current pre-IPO offerings. You'll see a list of companies that are open for subscription. Tap on the IPO you're interested in to open its details page. On the IPO page, tap the Order Now button, located at the bottom of the screen. Enter your trading password when prompted. Next, enter the dollar amount or the number of shares you want to subscribe to in the input field provided. The order will be placed at the final offering price once it is determined. After entering your amount, tap the check mark, then tap Apply Now. Review the details on the confirmation screen and tap Next to submit your request. Once submitted, your application for the pre-IPO shares will be placed. You can track the status inside the IPO Center, and on the listing date, shares will be allocated to your account if your request is fulfilled. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.